It stems from I've always been an encourager and a cheerleader and positive motivator.
Yep.
And I know that everyone has challenges in life,
Right.
in various areas. And so I wrote it as an inspiration to those that are going through difficult times, that they're not alone, and that there is hope, and that they have power within themselves.
Yeah, that's what the fighter within. Okay, that makes sense. Good title too. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, to get through those difficult times.
Okay,
and so and just to take it one day at a time.
Now, is this aimed at the teen or the student, or is it aimed for the parents to kind of cope?
When this was originally written, it was written for anyone.
Okay.
But I am doing a kind of a second version and making it more youth friendly.
Right. Yeah.
And that will be out in the e-form very shortly.
Yeah, and I think that's a great idea. And you may want to. I don't know if this one is for the adults as well, but I think a lot of people. I mean, I've gone through things with my kids, right, and teens, and they don't seem to realize how much it's affecting you as an adult. Mm-hmm. So having both sides of that story, like one book is the adult one, and one you should read this one. It's like, because the teens and the students they're it's like Friday night is a long time. How are we going to get to the end of the week? And here I am 60. I don't know. It's like the week went by yesterday and just started. So, but it's a different mindset, and it's a lot. I told my son when he was having trouble, I go, you don't realize how much it's hurting me. Mm-hmm.